Welcome back to Energy and Cleaning and Life Hacks. Today I have an amazing trick for you when it comes to Vaseline, otherwise known as petroleum jelly, and your favorite cologne or perfume. This is my husband's, Ed Hardy, so we're gonna smell very manly today. Let me know if you can relate to this in the comments box below. You've sprayed your perfume, several hours have passed, and you no longer can smell your perfume. It's very frustrating, so then you have to spray more, and this little stuff, these little bottles are very pricey and very expensive, so here's the trick to make it last longer. Maybe you want to smell like roses for 24 hours straight or something like that. Beautiful, yes? Here's what you're gonna do. Go ahead, open up your Vaseline or your petroleum jelly. What do y'all call this? Let me know in the comments box below what you end up calling this. I know it's called petroleum jelly. Vaseline is the brand name, but get yourself a Q-tip or something. You don't want to be sticking your grubby fingers all up in here, especially if you're using this to remove makeup or other things. And then wherever you plan to put your perfume or your cologne, usually it's on your wrist, you're gonna go ahead and rub in the Vaseline right here. This is going to moisturize your skin as well. Let's just do the cuticles while we're at it, shall we? It's very dry here in the wintertime. Okay, next thing that you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and spray your perfume. Let that sit in, I would say, for a couple of minutes to really soak into the skin. And then give yourself a good squirt, dab it together right here. Why does this work so well in terms of making your perfume or your cologne last longer, thus saving you money and time? By the way, I'm smelling very manly right now. This locks in moisture, you can see right here, moisturizes and heals dryness, skin protectant. Yes, my friend, let me know if you've tried this little trick before. Click this video on screen now for more amazing and clever life and cleaning hacks. Give the video a thumbs up, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.